Malahalimaw na performance ang ipinamala si Barangay Ginebra Gin Kings resident import Justin Brownlee sa laro ng koponan kontra Terra Firme Jeep na nagpapatuloy na PBA Commissioner's Cup kagabi. Ang mga detalye sa ulat ni teammate Rafael Bandayrel.
Nasungkit ng Barangay Ginebra San Miguel ang kanilang ikatlong panalo sa Season 49 PBA Commissioner's Cup kagabi kontra Terra Firma Jeep sa Ninoy Aquino Stadium sa Malate, Manila. Kahit kulang sa piyesa ang Ginebra dahil kasalukuyang nakagarahe sina Stephen Hort at Japet Aguilar dahil sa injuries, walang naging problema dahil inako ni resident import Justin Brownlee ang responsibilidad sa opensa. Muntik nang mapantayan ng Gilas Pilipinas superstar ang kanyang career high sa PBA matapos magposte ng tumataginting na 49 points na may kasama pang 12 rebounds, 6 assists at 2 steals.
Tonight, we just want to come out, be aggressive. I just found myself open, a lot in this game, and I just try to take advantage of the open shots or, open opportunities where I could drive or, be aggressive either for myself, scoring or for my teammates.
Aminado naman si head coach Tim Cone na matinding hamon para sa kanyang koponan ang kanilang mahigpit na schedule ngayong conference.
Well, we've got Converge coming up, and we got Magnolia on Christmas Day. We've got Converge in Batangas, so the schedule doesn't lessen for us. We have 2 days at least before we play in Batangas, but we still have to travel there and travel back and get back ready for Christmas. So it's been a really tough road. I think, honestly, the schedule has been part of the reason why our guys got injured, Japet and Steven, because we're overplaying them and they're playing too much, too quick.
Teams ng liga. Nakatakas ang koponan ni Coach Yeng Giao kontra Magnolia Hot Shots. Hawak ang 102-100 na panalo. Nauna rito, pinalasap din ng Ross sa guest team Hong Kong Eastern ang kanilang unang talo sa PBA na sinundan nila ng isa pang upset kontra San Miguel Beer. Rafael Bandayrel para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.